Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of juggling multiple tools for scheduling, tracking, and managing your social media, today's video is for you. We're diving into Sociamonials, an all-in-one social media management platform currently available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. Grab the deal, link is in the description below. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. What is Sociamonials? Sociamonials is more than just a scheduling tool. It's designed for marketers, agencies, and businesses looking to streamline their social media workflow, from posting to reporting, and even running viral campaigns. It combines automation, analytics, user-generated content, and white label features all in one place. Key features of Sociamonials: automated scheduling and reposting. You can plan your entire content calendar in advance and let the platform automatically repost top-performing content, a huge time saver. Viral campaigns. Want to run a giveaway, contest, or referral program? Sociamonials has templates and tools built in, no coding required. User-generated content. Collect and publish testimonials, photos, or customer stories to build social proof effortlessly. Advanced analytics. Track clicks, shares, conversions, and engagement with beautiful charts and customizable KPIs tailored to your goals. Multi-platform publishing. Post to Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google My Business, all from one dashboard. White labeling for agencies. If you manage clients, this is a game changer. You can rebrand the platform with your logo and domain to offer it as your own service. Who is it for? Whether you're a solo creator, small business, or marketing agency, Sociamonials can scale with you. The automation alone saves hours, and the viral campaign tools are perfect for generating leads and engagement. Pricing and lifetime deal. 3. Currently on AppSumo, Sociamonials is available as a lifetime deal. That means a one-time payment gives you lifetime access, no monthly fees. And like all AppSumo deals, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Grab the deal, link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more AppSumo reviews, and let me know in the comments. Have you tried Sociamonials? What's your favorite feature? See you in the next one.